What is up, YouTube family? It has been a minute, a very long minute. I know I've been slacking on the YouTube video posts, so would like to just show you guys what I've been up to. I have been working on my own little cryptocurrency project here. Been building a game, developing a website, and Telegram group, X page. We are getting the code ready for launch and stuff, but I get lots of people saying change this and just do this and do this, and I do appreciate the feedback, but I wanted to show you the steps it takes just to make one little change on this kind of thing here. So let me just share with you guys here the process that I have to go through. So this game right now is with Unity. It is called Flap Play to Earn. It is kind of a runoff of Flappy Birds, except for it is Bitcoin with wings flying through the candlesticks on the trading view chart, and below you can see all the Bitcoins that didn't make it, the fallen soldiers. And yeah, so pretty much here I'll show you. I've been having this let's see if I can share this. Snippet. I don't know. It's not even letting me show you. Anyways, when you hit the high score, it lags. There was a little bit of a lag on the Bitcoin that was dragging. So I figured out that it is because of, you can see this here. You can see right here, yield return new wait for second real time 1.5. I have to change that, so I had asked GPT what to do. It gave me the code, copy paste it, and here is the new code. Once I save that, perfect. Then I need to go back into the game right here. From there I need to build the project, but before I do that, let's see, let me show you my notes. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go into my Unity, right? I'm gonna go into my folder. I'm gonna open this up. I need specific files from my, I don't know why it's not showing, but here. I needed this, my HTML doc, because there's two things. There's this code which helps me, or which lets you copy Control V on the desktop, and then this one is to paste on the iPhone. So those are the two functions that help the computer recognize that you're trying to paste something into it, right? So back to this, I'm gonna go into here, I'm gonna go delete, right? And then I'm gonna go back into my game, and let's pop this up, and I'm gonna go build. I wonder if you can even see that. I'm gonna build it. You can't, I don't know why you can't see it. I'm gonna build, go into that folder, select it. Yes, it's gonna save, and I wish it would show you that it's loading. It's compiling scripts. This will take I'm going to take a screenshot here. Well, it's loading. It's loading. Yes, it's like one thing to do this. It's another thing to try to record yourself doing this. Like, I can't even show you what I'm doing. It's so frustrating. So it's at 2 minutes and 8 seconds now. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Boom. Okay. So you can see. Okay. You can see here, these were just built, right? 8:29, 8:34. And then I'm gonna open it. Okay. I'm gonna open my Visual Code. And I'm gonna go open new flat B. I'm going to go into index, right, and I'm going to take that code that I copied from before because that had the paste functions. Paste that in. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to go into my terminal here. I'm going to go git status, and there's the changes. I'm going to go git add space dot git commit dash m, and this is just a comment on what I changed on it. So fixed delay when player hits high score leaderboard, and then we're going to go git push main origin main, and that's loading, and there we go. One little change made. Only took me like an hour. No, but now let's test it out here. So let's go into, here we go. I think so. Flap. So here is the website, guys. Come and check it out. Flap play to earn. Check out this 3D PC. Come down here, check out game overview, innovative gameplay, tokenomics and rewards, tech savvy development. Come and join the adventure. Please come and read the roadmap here. We are currently on phase 3. The game has went live last week. We will have rewards coming out this week here. Stay tuned. Extra phases that we're still on the route to getting to. Going to be launching the token very soon here. Talking with a marketing director guy here from UK. He's going to be helping market the project. We're going to do a pre-sale, and then we're going to have more updates on the launch date, etc. Come check out the cool little widgets here. More information on the token here will be minted soon. Check out our Telegram. Come follow us on Twitter. Please come and read the white paper, and definitely come check out the game there. Let's see. Come read the Flappy origin story. Flappy Birds was one of the most iconic games of 2013, so you know, we wanted to do something that had a good story. And anyways, come here. Come and check the game. Boom. I actually figured out a way to change this little thing here, so when you check the game out here, this should be updated. Let me know your thoughts. Leaderboard. Boom. Registered. We are saving everything using Loot Locker. And come and play the game. And come and make a high score. So this should work here. Leaderboard will only pop up if you get 10 points or more, and once you've gotten your 10 points, it will, if you hit your own high score, the leaderboard will pop up. Once you've put in a score, it won't pop up unless you beat your high score. So I'm pretty sure, and it recognizes your IP address too, so you can't like put in multiple scores. So I'm pretty sure. Ooh. So you can see right now, there you go. You can see high score today is 181. Try to beat that. I think last week's high score was 227. Guys, there's going to be some big cash prizes here, so get playing, get practicing, try to rank, because you know you might be able to be paying your rent here soon just from playing this simple game. Alright, you can see after 20 points it gets a little bit faster here. I think I need to beat, there we go. So come in there, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna put it in my Solana address, and we will submit that, and we check that here, and BH, there we go, 32 registered on the thing. There'll be prizes for the top 3, so try to get in, have some fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to do a quick little overview of what I've been up to. Please, if you haven't already, come and follow. Where is this here? Make sure to come and join that Telegram. It's going to come through. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to, let's see if I can show it here. I just got to there we go. Come to here. Make sure to click on this tap to verify. It's going to make sure that you're a real human. It's going to pop up. It's going to give you this little verification thingy. Click here. Once you've done that, it's going to give you the link right here. You can see, click on that, and that will take you to the private page. Follow along. If you do get a high score, make sure to take a screenshot of it and post it in the chat there, and we will update it here. We're going to have cash prizes coming very soon, guys. I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you haven't already, guys, please make sure to follow, like, and subscribe. We're going to keep this channel going, and we're going to eventually hit the moon, because that is the goal. Slow and steady. I still see people downloading the chatbot template that I've made. I'm going to get that set up so it's going to be automatic, so I don't have to manually send it to you each time. But I appreciate all your guys' patience, and this video was very rusty, as you can tell. I'm trying to flip back from screen to screen. I was trying to make a video here a couple weeks ago, but I couldn't get the mic to work. You know, trying to get the mic, the video, the editing, all that extra stuff, man. You got to give these YouTubers some credit, you know. Video editing, video making is quite an art. I'll tell you that there. Again, though, appreciate y'all. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave a comment below. Appreciate any feedback you'd give me on this game or this project here. We're trying to do something different. Please check out the white paper and let me know your thoughts. We're going to be launching very soon here, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, appreciate y'all. Peace.